Hey folks, TJ here, back with another video. So it's Christmas Eve, and we just finished closing on the market. So the markets close early on Christmas Eve day. They closed at 1 p.m. So currently everything is pretty much sitting at record highs in terms of the Dow and S&P 500. So on Christmas Day, Thursday, the markets will be closed. So they will not be open for trading, U.S. normal hours, but the markets will reopen back on Friday. So this is all according to Wall Street Journal. Also, gold and silver are rocking to record highs while MSTR sits in the basement. So I know a lot of you out there, for those of you out there that celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas, for those of you that don't, Happy Holidays. So let's get right into it. I'm going to talk a little bit about some facts that I kind of compiled for MSTR on Christmas Day. It should be pretty interesting. So for those of you that enjoy my videos, just give me a thumbs up. It really helps. Okay, so made this presentation for you guys out there. So we're talking about MSTR holiday season facts. So the average price of MSTR on Christmas Day since the Bitcoin standard era of 2020 is $102. So even though, we've been absolutely friggin' wrecked this year, folks, it's been a rough year for long-term MSTR holders. We are currently down 56% over the last 52 weeks and down about 51% over the last 3 months. So that's a good sign that we're still above the average Christmas Day price. So I wanted to kind of extrapolate this data and give everyone a visualization for those of you out there that are visual learners. So I also posted this over on my X, so you can follow me over on X at MSTR Investor as well. So the average MSTR closing price on Christmas Day since the Bitcoin standard era, so we can just kind of look at the data really quick. And I also made this chart that I posted as well on X. So on 2020, on Christmas Day, the price of MSTR was $32. In 2021, it was $54. Then in 2022, it was $14. Then in 2023, it was $63. Then in 2024, it was $289. So now we're officially closing Christmas Day at $158. So you can see that even just from the kind of the bear market bottom, I would say, or right near the bear market bottom of $14, and when we hit an all-time high of 540, that was about a 38x. So we did about a 38x from the previous bear market low, but right now we're still down from last year's Christmas Day price. We're almost down 50%. So, I mean, like I said, folks, I'm around for the roller coaster ride. Got a 20-year time horizon. So, we're going to continue to follow this. So we're going to continue to follow this data over time and track the price of MSTR on Christmas Day, because I really think it helps a lot of you out there that are kind of new to the stock. You can't really see the wide volatility and everything. So that's one of the reasons why you're going to see these crazy price swings, but it doesn't mean it's necessarily a bad stock to hold or something like that. It just means that Bitcoin's so volatile that you need to prepare for the volatility. So this is one of the things that will help kind of reduce the volatility over time. The new IPO of STRC Stretch, that was in July. So that currently has over like a $3 billion market cap, something like that. So that's going to help soak up a lot of liquidity next year. That product's only been available for 5 months, and it's already drawn $3 billion in capital and everything. So that will kind of help smooth things over time and help Bitcoin per share increase and Bitcoin yield increase and things like that. And it won't necessarily dilute MSTR. Now, in the short run, we have a pretty big deadline on January 15th. Is when the MSCI decision deadline comes for crypto-based companies being included in their indices. So we're going to see what happens with that. Yeah, your guess is as good as mine. Just, like I said, for those of you out there that aren't really sure what's going to happen on up to January 15th, the deadline happens. If MSCI does delist MSTR, that could potentially cause like $5 to $10 billion in outflows. So just subscribe to my channel so you'll stay in touch with everything, and you'll keep track of my videos or whatever. I post every business day, so that's really important. We could see a pretty big drawdown in price if that happens. But now a lot of the drawdown has absolutely been because of that FUD. So if we find out that MSCI reverses on this decision, we could see a rally in 2026. That's what I'm kind of banking on, but I'm not really sure. Not financial advice. So lastly, we might see a Santa rally that leads us up to the rest of the year. We have basically a week left in the year, folks. So 2025 has been a pretty brutal year. Hopefully 2026 a lot better. MSTR is down about 42-43% this year, so not exactly as good as it was when it was up over 300% in 2024. So I'm about to wrap this video up, folks. Like I said, happy holidays out there for everyone. Merry Christmas. Hope everyone's doing well. I'll be back on Friday. So like I said, everyone out there, just hope you have a good holiday season. And this is definitely a time to kind of, unwind, take your focus off the markets for a bit and then just enjoy the end to the year. Should be pretty exciting next year as well. For those of you that have been following me, thanks a lot. Really appreciate it. And like I said, if you are interested in lowering your cost basis and generating yield from your shares, I know a lot of you are like me. You're down big on your net worth, and you're not liking what your brokerage account is looking like, compared to July when we were near all-time highs. So like I said, check out a copy of my book, MSTR Options Cash Flow. It's $49. Teaches you how to sell covered calls to lower your cost basis. For a lot of you out there that want to retire or are near retirement, you probably need this information more than anybody else. So you can pick up a copy of it. Just click the link in the description below or check out the pinned comment. And like I said, everyone, Merry Christmas, and I'll see everybody on Friday. The markets will be open normal market hours, but Thursday they won't. So now Bitcoin will be trading. We'll see what Bitcoin's at. So to wrap things up, Bitcoin's currently at $87,000. So it's been a rough, rocky 2025, but I'm optimistic for 2026. So about to wrap this video up. See everyone next one. Take care.